Pheasant birds are known as birds with enchanting beauty and color variations. Pheasant birds have various species spread in some regions throughout the world. However, many pheasant species originate from Asia. Male and female pheasants have different appearances. Male pheasants have long tail feathers and brightly colored feathers with beautiful patterns. Meanwhile, female pheasants are generally brown. Male birds will perform special dances to attract females during the mating season. They will show off their long tail feathers, dance around female birds, and make distinctive sounds.